So with the continuation of the studies numerical problem, here I am giving you another problem that is based on radioactive substances. So the half-life period for radioactive decay of carbon-14 is 5730 year. An archaeological artifact contained wood had only 80% the carbon-14 found in a living tree. Estimate the age of the sample. You just see here. Number one thing is there is a big modification in the integrated rate equation for the first order equation. As you know, radioactive decay is an example of first order disintegration equation. Means here which equation we can apply? Here K equal to 2.303 divided by T log here A0 by A. So it is clear cut idea you have got that if substance is radioactive disintegration base, then you have to apply first order integrated rate equation, because radioactive, let it be natural or artificial radioactive disintegration, they are example of means first order integrated rate equation. Means radioactive disintegration follows the first order integrated rate equation. First order integrated rate equation. So here we'll modify this equation is not valid for radioactive disintegration. Here we will write N0 and here N. Meaning is same only. N0 equal to initial concentration of radioactive substance. Radioactive substance. And N is the concentration of radioactive substance after time t. So only bit modification is there. In place of A0 N0 and in place of A N is there. Remaining thing is same only. So we have to apply this integrated rate equation, first order integrated rate equation, for solving this numerical. Now if you see carefully this equation, then what you will find that K value is not given here. So how you should calculate the K value? So just see, half-life period is given. So with the help of half-life period, we can calculate the K value. So the K equal to what is there? 0.693 divided by T half, and that is given. K equal to T half is given. What is the T half value here? The T half value is 5730. So 0.693 divided by 5730. So you solve this one. So dear cadets, if you solve this one, then you will get 1.209 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 year inverse. So in this way you have got the value of K. Now you know the radioactive disintegration is directly proportional to the number of carbon-14 atoms. So we have to apply this formula. They are asking the half-life period of radioactive decay of carbon-14 is 5730 year. So this is half-life period. An archaeological artifact contained wood had only 80% the carbon-14 found in a living tree. Estimate the age of the sample. So they are asking age means time. So now integrated rate equation for first order for the radioactive disintegration equal to T equal to what is there? 2.303 divided by K. Already I told you the meaning of this equation, and 0 by N. So now if you fill the value, so 2.303 divided by K. K value is this one only, 1.209 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Now here log. Now what is n0 here? N0 is initial concentration, that is 100 year. 100 year. And what is n here? N is given. What is given here? 80%. Means 80% is the concentration of living tree. Means the amount of carbon protein present in the living tree was 80% only. So this is our n. This is our n. So here we can fill n0 equal to 100 and this is n 80. Now if you solve this one, then you will get so dear cadets, if you solve this one log 100 by 80, so you will get 1.25. So log 1.25. And now just see, this is equal to 2.303 divided by 1.209 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So here what is there? Log 12. Now just see, here 1 point before decimal, how many digits is there? 1. So if 1 digit is there, so you should start with 0.0. This is the characteristics. So if 1 is there, 0. If 2 is there, 1 point. If 3 is there, 2 point. So before decimal, 1 digit is there. So 0 point. Now at 12 in log table, 12 5 you have seen. Log 12 value at 5 you should see. So if you see the log 12 value at 5, so you will get 0.969. Now here log will not come. This is into. So I hope that you have got this value also. Now if you multiply this one, so if you multiply this one and this one, you will get 1846 year. So this is the time, estimated age of that sample of wood. Dear parents, you may raise question that this 80%, why you did not solve on the basis of this formula a minus x. So here 100 should be there, here minus and here a by a minus x. If you read this question, it is very clear. 80% is not from its initial concentration. If after 80% they have given word from its initial concentration, then I would have solved according to the previous numericals. Here it is already told that after time t, the concentration of this sample left, that is equal to 80% only. Means in place of n directly you can write 80. Means in place of r directly you can write 80. Dear cadet, now question number 2 of today's. If first order relation is 15% complete, 15% complete, only 15%. In 20 minutes, how long will it take to complete 60%? So just see in this numerical. What is given here? Only 15%. And after 15%, they have not written here 15% from their initial concentration. Then for the calculation of A, you have to solve. Means just see how. So for the first order relation, the K value equal to, what is K value? Since time they have given, so we can write T equal to 2.303 divided by K. Now here only K will be there. K equal to and T. Now here log. Here what is there? A0. I am solving with the help of this one. A minus x. A by A minus x. Where A equal to initial concentration and x is the amount of substance which disintegrated from its initial concentration. What is x here? X is the amount of substance which is disintegrated. from its initial concentration. The X is simple word, amount of substance disintegrated. So X equal to, it will be 15 here in the first case. So the K equal to what is there? 2.303. Time they have given 20 minutes. So write down here 20 minutes. Here log, and here what is there? Just see as such. Here A minus, and what is X here? X is amount of substance disintegrated. So the 15A divided by 100. Why 100? Because it is percentage. So percentage is always calculated out of 100. So now what it would be? Now you have to take the here only 100. So it would be like that. Just 2K equal to 2.303 divided by 20 minutes. Here what is there? Log, and here A, and here divided by 100. A minus 15A divided by 100. So the K equal to 2.303 divided by 20 minutes. Here what is there? Log. Here what is there? 100A divided by 85A. So dear cadets, just see here. A by 100, A minus 15A divided by 100. It is better to solve below only this one. So the K equal to what would be there? 2.303 divided by 20 minutes. Here log. Now A by, if you solve this one, so you will get 0.85K. So this A is cancelled out. So now here we will get K equal to 2.303 divided by 20 minutes, and here log. So dear cadets, so log A is cancelled out. Here we can write 1 by 0.85, and this can be written like that also. Just see, K equal to 2.303 divided by 20 minutes. So now if 1 by 0.85 is there, so we can write this one log 100 by 85. You can understand this one. Now K equal to what is there? 2.303 divided by 20 minutes, and here 80 means 100 by 85, that is equal to 1.176. You can write here 7 also, there is no problem. So now you have to see log table value. 11 log at 7. So the K equal to what is there? 2.303. Here what is there? 20 minutes. Now log 11 at 7 value equal to just a minute. So dear cadet, just see log 11 at 7. If you see, so their value will come. Now just see, after 1 point only before decimal there is one characteristic 1. So 0.11 at 7, if you will see, so you will get 0682. Now if you see the 6 at mean difference, so their value is 23. So if you add this one, so you will get 0.0, here 5, here 10, and here 7. So directly I am not writing this value and this value. Directly I am writing 0. In the bracket only I am writing 0.0 0.0705. So remember, this is mean difference. 23 is the mean difference. You have to add the log table value here. So directly I will write here this value 0.0705. This is there. Now this should be multiplied. So the k equal to. So dear cadets, if you solve this one, then you will get k value, that is 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 minute inverse. And if you can see here how I have solved everything I have written here. So you can see those side also. So just see here two important things, that this 100 minus in denominator only it should be solved. It should not go, this 100 should not go here. It should be solved here only. Dear cadets, if you see carefully, in this question two parts are there. In one part they have given the time. So with the help of half means first part, we can calculate the value of k, and we have calculated, that is k equal to 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 minute inverse. Now in second part they are asking for how long will it take to complete 60%, means time they are asking. So for second case, so just see here time they are asking. So t equal to what is there, first order reaction only, 2.303 by a, here what is there, log a, and here what is there, a minus x. Now here x is not a, x is 60%. So t equal to what is there, 2.303, k value put here 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 minute inverse. And here what is there, log a, here a minus what is the x here, x is 60%. So the 60 into a divided by 100, because it is 60%. So the t equal to what is there, 2.303 divided by 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 minute inverse. Here what is there, log a, here divided by 100 minus 100 a minus 60a divided by 100. So now here what we will have, so t equal to 2.303 divided by 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 minute inverse. Now here log a, and here what would be there, 100 minus 60 equal to 40a by 100. So t equal to what would be there, 2.303 divided by 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 minute inverse. Here log a by 100 and this one. So this will be 0.40a. So now a will be cancelled out. So now t equal to what would be there, 2.303 divided by 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Here minute inverse. Here what is there, log, here 1 by 0.40. So we can write here t equal to 2.303 divided by 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Here what is there, minute inverse. Here what is there, log we can write 100 minus 40, 100 by 40. So dear cadets, now you have got 100 by 40. Now this side base is not there, so I am writing this side. So t equal to what is there? 2.303 divided by 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 here minute inverse. Now here log 2.5 you will get. If you solve that side 100 by 40, so you will get 2.5. So t equal to, you have to see 20 log 25 at 0. Log 25 at 0. Just t equal to 2.303 divided by 8.13 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Here what is there? Minute inverse. So now here what is there? Log. See, before decimal how many points is there? Right hand side of decimal. Sorry, left hand side of decimal. 1. So into 0 point. Now if you see the 25, log 25 at 0, so 3975 value you will get. 3975. Let me try also. Dear cadet, this is 3979. Remember, left hand side of decimal. How many digits is there? 1 digit. This is known as characteristics. So if 1 digit is there, then it should start from 0. If 2 digits is there before the decimal, means left hand side of the decimal. If 2 digits is there, so 1 point. If 3 digits is there, 2 point. If 4 digits is there, 3 point. Here only 1 digit is there, so 0.3979. Now you multiply this one. So t equal to, so dear cadet, if you solve this one, t equal to 112.7 minute you will have. Dear cadet, another very interesting question. So that in case of the first order reaction, the time taken for completion of 99.9% reaction is 10 times the time required for half change of the reaction. Half change of the reaction means 0.5. So just see, so that in case of the first order reaction, the time taken for completion of 99.9% reaction is 10 times the time required for half change of the reaction. So just to see here, the data is given less and you have to solve it. So the first order reaction only, what is this one? The k equal to, k is not given. So here what is there? 2.303 divided by 18. Here what is there? Log a minus x. X they are given. What is the x that one? 99.9%. So just see, we can write this equation like that also. T equal to 2.303 divided by k. Since k value is not given, will not fit. Here log a, and here what is there? A minus 99.9 divided by 100. A. So now t equal to what is there? 2.303 by k. Here what is there? Log. Here a by 100 minus 99.9 by 100. So here t equal to what is there? 2.303 by k. Here log. Here 100. This would be equal to. So dear cadet, log a by 0.1 by 100. So we can write here t equal to 2.303 by k log. This would be 0.001. You have got this one, and this is A. So here also A would be. So now if we solve this one further, this side, so A would be cancel out. A would be cancel out. Here P equal to 2.303 divided by A, and here log. So A is cancel out. Now this would be 1000 by 1. So T equal to 2.303 divided by K, and here log 10 raised to the power 3. So the P equal to what is there? 2.303 divided by K, and here into 3 log 10. T equal to 2.303 by K into 3, because log 10 value equal to 0. Log 10 you have to see at 0, so this is 0. So you have got this one. Let this is equation number first. So the first problem of this question, first part of this question we have solved. Now next one they are telling time taken for completion of 99.9% reaction is 10 times the time required for hot change of reaction. This time x equal to 0.5. X equal to same reaction will be there, same equation will be there, only x equal to 0.5. So when half of the reaction completed, so same equation we should write. T equal to 2.303 by K, here log A minus x. So now this time x equal to 0.5. Half means what? 1 by 5, that is 0.5. So the T equal to what is there? 2.303 by K, here log A, here K minus 0.5. Dear cadet, here I directly took 0.5A. Since they have not given percentage, directly they told half of the reaction, half of the concentration. So percentage they have not taken. So X is the amount of substance disintegrated, decomposed. Directly I have taken 0.5A. Why I have taken here also A? Because it is from its initial concentration. So if you solve this one, so the A by A minus 0.5A, so this will become 1. So 1 minus 0.5A, that will be equal to 0.5A. So A is cancelled out. Now T equal to what is there? 2.303 by K, and here log we can write 10 by 5. 10 by 5. So that is equal to 2. So ultimately T equal to we can write 2.303 by K and here log 2. Log 2 value equal to 0.3010. Right here only, just see. T equal to what is there? 2.303 into 0.3010 divided by K. Dear cadets, this is our equation number 2nd. Now I am writing this side now. Dividing equation first by second. Dividing equation first by second. So what is the first equation here? First equation is 2.303 into 3 divided by K. Now further divided 2.303 into 0.3010 divided by k. So now this will be equal to 2.303 into 3 into k. Now here k into 2.303 into 0.3010. So 2.303 is cancelled out, k is cancelled out, k is cancelled out. That is equal to 3 by 0.3010. That is equal to 10 times. 10 times. This is the final answer. So now dear cadets, in this way today's class is over. Now of course I have solved only 3 numerical only, but today I have given you how to see the logical value also. So please take care and solve these questions. Some of the questions are given at the end of NCERT exercises also, and these are the questions which have been asked in the previous year's question paper also. So first I have made the pool of these questions and I am trying hard to solve, and I am hoping that you have got it. These are big questions. Thank you.